we felt if we can still score a try. We felt it before halftime. We couldn't. We got penalized at the ruck, and then that was, like I said to Anami now in the message, was if we can score first. I think if they scored and it went to 28, it would have been a massive mountain to climb. But we just felt if we can get a bit of momentum. So I won't lie, it obviously looked daunting when they kept on scoring those 2 tries from a coaching point of view. But the big thing was for us to score first and just get the belief back.
And because I suppose the thing is as well, I mean, this was never going to be a pretty win after that 21-3. You guys had to claw your way back. But maybe a word on some of the leaders in the teams, guys like Grobbies and Cameron, Ruan Vermaak. There's some really guys who really put in some big performances there on the field for you guys.
Yeah, if you look at our forwards, had to work extremely hard, especially with again, like I said, with the 2 yellow cards. And we still, that try that we scored to make it 21-10 was important, and it was a grind. We scored, Marshall scored, was disallowed, then we had to grind again. Our scrum was very good tonight, and so the forwards had to work extremely hard. And then second half, I felt our bench, every player that came on made a difference. And again, maybe that it's credit to how each player has taken up his role and and contributed to that. So so I think it was overall a team performance. And I said to the players now afterwards, it's credit even to the players who didn't play, preparing the team and giving the energy. So I think it was just a great performance from the boys.
Last one from me, just where does this rank? I know you've had a lot of good wins in your career, but in terms of just overall emotionally, where does this rank for you now?
No, this must be right at the top. I mean, I can just, like I said, I'm lost for words. Actually, felt to me like I couldn't believe the whistle went and we won. To be fair, because we really showed so much commitment tonight. The players, I'm so proud of the team. I want to thank the Lord. He's really blessing us, and it's a privilege to be part of this team and this occasion. And the comeback is special, Brendan. I won't lie, because they were really playing